How to fix Face ID problems after iOS 18.5 update. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is launch your Settings app. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode. Now here you're going to find the option Reset Face ID. Go ahead and tap on that. But here's where things might get tricky. You may see a message saying turn off stolen device protection to reset Face ID. If that happens, you can navigate to the option Stolen Device Protection and try to toggle off for this option. After you complete these steps, you can easily reset your Face ID. If Face ID still is not resetting, the final solution is to back up your iPhone and perform a complete factory reset. For that, head back to the main page of settings, scroll down, navigate to the option General, head over to the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click Reset and select the option Reset All Settings and go through the process. And that's it. After the factory reset and setting up Face ID again, everything should be back to normal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.